In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll have a reusable template that saves time and keeps your documents consistent. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. Look for the official site in the results and click through to open it. Once you're there, log into your account with your usual credentials so you'll have access to your dashboard and tools. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Templates. This is the section dedicated to building reusable documents, as opposed to one-off signature requests. Inside this area, look for the Create Template button. It's typically located near the lower right corner of the page. Click it to begin. You'll be prompted to add the document you want to turn into a template. You can drag and drop a file right into the window or choose it from your computer. If your document lives in cloud storage, you can also pull it in from services like Dropbox or Google Drive. PDFs usually work best, but common document types are supported too. Next, set up roles instead of specific signers. This is what makes your template reusable. Create placeholder roles such as client, manager, or buyer, whatever fits your workflow. If your document needs to be signed in a particular sequence, you can define a signer order so each person receives it at the right time. When the document opens in the editor, add the fields each role needs to complete. Drag and drop signature fields, date fields, and text fields onto the appropriate spots in the document. Place them carefully so they line up with the content. You can make fields required, adjust sizes, and rename them for clarity, which helps anyone sending or signing understand exactly what belongs where. Here's a helpful tip. If there's information that changes with every request, like a specific price, a project name, or an address, assign that field to the sender and give it a clear name. When you use the template in the future, you'll be prompted to fill in those details before it goes out, keeping your document accurate without editing the file itself. When you're satisfied with the layout, click Next to preview the document. This is your chance to double-check roles, field placement, and the signing order. Add a clear template title and, if you like, an optional default message that will accompany the template when it's sent. Finally, click Save Template to finish. Your template is now ready to use whenever you need it.